students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your maths teacher Anjali Daya. Let us start our topic Roman numerals. Let's look back. Do as instructed. First, read the clocks carefully and write the time. Now, first is it's 12 o'clock. Next is it's 9 o'clock. Next it is 5 o'clock. Now, second, match the Roman numerals to their corresponding numbers. Now, column A and column B. A is XXV, that is 25. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं, बाकी के कॉलम्स आप खुद मैच करेंगे. Now, Roman numerals. In previous classes, we learned that Roman numeral system was developed by the Romans thousands of years ago. They used 7 letters from the English alphabet, namely I, V, X, L, C, D and M to represent numbers. The values of these symbols are as follows. Roman symbols and values of symbols. I is for 1, V is for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500 and M is for 1000. Roman numerals are still used today in everyday life, such as on clock faces, for chapter numbers in books and for forming events like the Olympics, for example XXIV for the 24th Olympics. The Roman numeral system does not follow place value and it also does not have a symbol for 0. Following are the basic rules for writing Roman numerals using the symbols. Now, rules to write Roman numerals. Rule 1. Repetition of a symbol means addition. The symbol I, X, C and M can only be used up to 3 times to form a number. Triple X is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 30. Triple C is 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300. Triple M is 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equals to 3000. Now, rule 2. When a symbol of smaller value is written before a symbol of greater value, we subtract the value of the smaller symbol from the value of the greater symbol. XL, that is 50 minus 10 is 40. XC, 100 minus 10 is 90. CD, 500 minus 100 is 400. Rule 3. When a symbol of greater value is written before a symbol of smaller value or symbols of smaller value, we add their values to get the number. XVII, that is 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 17. CL is 100 plus 50 is 150. MCC is 1000 plus 100 plus 100 is 1200. Now, rule 4. When we have 3 or more symbols written together and the smaller symbol is between the symbols of greater values, we subtract the value of the smaller symbol from the value of the symbol on its right. That is CXIV, that is 100 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1 is equals to 110 plus 4 is 114. LXXIV is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 70 plus 4 is 74. Now, lock into your brain. First, the symbol V, L and D are never repeated and cannot be subtracted. Next, the symbol I can only be added to or subtracted from V and X. The symbol I is never written to the left of L, C or D. The symbol X can be added to L, C and M but can only be subtracted from L and C. The symbol C can be added to and subtracted from D and M only. Now, no more. There is an addition symbol known as a bar which is placed over a numeral to indicate that it should be multiplied by 1000. Example, if we have the numeral V and bar, it represents 5 multiplied by 1000 which is equals to 5000. Following table summarize some basic combinations of Roman numerals along with their values. Roman numerals, combinations and value. II, that is I plus I is 1 plus 1, 2. Triple I is I plus I is triple 1 added, that is 3. IV is V minus I, 5 minus 1 is 4. V I is v plus I, that is 5 plus 1 is 6. xiv is x plus v minus I, that is 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 14. xx is x plus x is 10 plus 10, 20. xl is L minus x, that is 50 minus 10 is 40. xc is c minus x, that is 100 minus 10 is 90. cxx, that is c plus x plus s is 100 plus 10 plus 10 is 120. cd is d minus c, that is 500 minus 100 is 400. cm, m minus c is 1000 minus 100 is 900. mcm, m plus m minus c, that is 1000 plus 1000 minus 100 is 1900. mmxx, m plus x is 1000 plus 1000 plus 10 plus 10 is 2020. Now example 1. Convert the following Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. A is 87. Solution. 87 is broken down as 50L plus 30 is XXX plus 7 is VII. Thus, 87 is L triple X VII. 476 is broken down as 400, that is CD, plus 70 is LXX plus 6 is VI. Thus, 476 is CDL XXVI. C is 2024 is broken down as 2000, that is mm, plus 20 is XX plus 4 is IV. Thus 2024 is mmXXIV. Now example 2. Convert the following Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. A is XCV. Solution. XCV is made up of XC, that is 90, and V is 5. Thus XCV is 95. DCLXXVIII is made up of D, that is 500, C is 100, L is 50, XX is 20 and VIII is 8. Thus, DCLXXVIII is 678. MCMXLV is made up of M is 1000, CM is 900, XL is 40 and V is 5. Thus, MCMXLV is 1945. Now think. Imagine you are living in ancient Rome and you need to write the year 2026 in Roman numerals on a stone tablet. How will you write it? तो बच्चों ये क्वेश्चन आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next, find and write. Using the internet, find about any 5 historical events along with the years in which they occurred. Then convert the years from Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. For example, 1990 is MCMXC. तो बच्चों ये क्वेश्चन आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next, learn with fun. In the given mathematics puzzle, remove only one mastic to make the math problem correct. Look carefully at both the numbers and symbols because moving a mastic might change them. So we have to remove a stick. So what stick we have to remove? That is 9 minus 1. So we have to remove this. That becomes 8. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बी पार्ट आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे इसका. Now in text exercise 1. Question number 1. Circle only the 7 Roman symbols. That is I, V, X, D, C and M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, that is L. Now question number 2. Fill in the given blanks. First, the Roman numeral for 50 is XL. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं. बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Convert the following Roman numerals to Hindu-Arabic numerals. Then write their number name. That is XVII. That is 10 plus 8 is 18. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं. बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. राइट द फॉलोइंग numbers in Roman numerals. A is 29. 29 is XXIX. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं. बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. अरेंज द फॉलोइंग रोमन न्यूमरल्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. A part. L is 50. That is 40. That is 10, 20, 30, 35. That is 10. XX is 25. So in ascending order, first of all that is 10. X, then 25 is XXV, after that is 35 XXXV and after that is 40XL and then L. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं, बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट लेट्स पुट इट टुगेदर. First, the Roman numeral system was developed by the Romans thousands of years ago. Next, 7 letters from the English alphabet are used to represent numbers I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. Roman numerals do not follow the place value system and have no symbol for 0. I, X, C and M can be repeated up to 3 times. Next, when a smaller value is placed before a larger value, it indicates subtraction. When a larger value is placed before a smaller value, it indicates addition. Next, when a smaller value is in between two greater values, subtract the smaller symbol from the symbol on the